Hello everyone. I think many of you have faced the problem of your front door fogging up during the heating season. This happens because warm air rises, touches the cold metal, and this way condensation forms. My door frame is insulated, but as you can see, it didn't help because the door opens directly to the outside. In the future, I plan to build a porch and that will solve this problem. Well, while there isn't one yet, I'll show you what you can do to stop the door from fogging up right now. This is what the door looks like from the outside. As you can see, it's completely metal, so who else has the same problem? Look how easily you can solve it. So, first of all, you need to wipe down the frame completely so that it's dry. Next, measure the upper inner length of the frame and the width of the profile it's made from. It's 730 by 40. Next, the frame's end. The top. The frame is a bit damp because it was exposed to heat, which means that in such places, you need to install a box with insulation. This is how you can easily get rid of condensation on your front door during the heating season. If you liked it, give it a like.